How to remove background in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can remove background in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video where you want to remove the background. Once you are on this timeline, click on Edit option and now search for the Remove BG option from the toolbox. Once you see that, click on it, and again here you will see 3 different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on Auto Removal at the first option. Wait for some second and the background will be removed from the video. If you want to add the stroke on it, just click on stroke and you can use any of your choice. So in this way you can remove background in CapCut. That's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.